Hello, yes, good morning. So, I'm doing my running now. So, I'm going to other side. So, I running every day for 1 hour. So, do you hear all that sound? Is that the insects here in the forest? Forest. So, actually now it's good because yesterday it's not raining, but every day is raining here. Hi. Well, anyway, I would like to congratulate Gretel, the Explorer, and Bicolano Waray for their monetize. So guys, keep it up and more uploads, of course. So you are already there. Very tired. So I'm going to So actually this one open by 7 o'clock. Sometimes I lost because this one is very wide. So sometimes I don't know where is the way. So this is the hall for resting. There's a lot of way. Road. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes I don't know where is the road. I think this one. Chestnut. So I think this is the road. Alright, so this is the road. Sometimes actually I lost because there's so many road here. So still nobody here. It's fine. Singapore no rapists. Because even though we are langka. Because even though we are here in the forest, but still have the camera. So you are safe. Not same in the Philippines. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared walking alone there, especially when you are wearing gold. How many times I robbed there in the Philippines? My own country, I cannot walk alone. Here, even you are in the middle of the night, 1 a.m. or whatever, you are safe. So I'm going there. I'm very tired. So that is the road. So I want to climb over there. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Wear mask except when engaging a strenuous exercise. So group size of more than 80 person are not permitted. So actually now here is 8 person only can be together. If you are 9, you will be fine. Fine, okay? Multa. So let's go to the top. Guys, this is short video on the stairs. sometimes I'm scared because later I fall, I drop my phone. Nakakaluli. Ay, nakakaluli. Ah, ah, ah. So tired. I'm still not reaching. Ah, ah. So there's the top. So guys, this is on the top. Woohoo! Ayan. Nakakatakot.